Functions and linear equations. In algebra, a function is a mathematical rule that takes an input value and produces a corresponding output value. A function is typically represented using a letter, such as f, followed by parentheses that enclose the input value, such as fx. The input value is also called the independent variable or the argument of the function, and the output value is called the dependent variable or the value of the function. The notation fx means that the function f is being evaluated at the input value x, and the result of the evaluation is the output value of the function. Functions can be represented in different ways, such as using tables, graphs, or formulas. A formula for a function expresses the relationship between the input value and the output value using mathematical operations and symbols. For example, the formula for the function that adds 5 to any input value x is fx equals x plus 5. Functions can also be combined using operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, to create more complex functions. For example, the function gx equals 2x plus 3 is a combination of the functions fx equals 2x and hx equals 3. Functions are widely used in mathematics, science, engineering, economics, and many other fields to model relationships between variables and to make predictions and calculations based on those relationships. A linear equation is an equation that describes a straight line in a two-dimensional plane. It is an algebraic equation that can be written in the form y equals mx plus b, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, m is the slope of the line, and b is the y-intercept, the point where the line intersects the y-axis. The slope of the line is the ratio of the change in the y-coordinate to the change in the x-coordinate, and can be calculated using the formula m equals y2, y1, x2, x1, where x1, y1, and x2, y2, are any 2 points on the line. The y-intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0, and can be found by setting x to 0 in the equation and solving for y. Linear equations can also be written in different forms, such as standard form, x plus y equals c, where a, b, and c are constants and a and b are not both 0. Point slope form, y1 equals mx, x1, where x1, y1, is a point on the line and m is the slope. Slope intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Linear equations are used in many areas of mathematics, science, engineering, and economics to model relationships between variables that can be represented by a straight line. They can be used to make predictions, calculate rates of change, and find the intersections of two or more lines. I hope this helps. Have a great day.